Hajj, same theme, your pilgrimage. You start your tawaf, your circumambulation from the black stone, not from Ar-Rukn al-Yamani, not from Ar-Rukn al-Shami. You start from the black stone and you move about it 7 times, not 6 and not 8. And then you make your way to Safa and Marwa and you begin to move between the mountains. You do that 7 times, not 6 and not 8. And you start with Safa, not Marwa, and you end with Marwa, not Safa. It's organized. Nothing left for randomness. Nothing chaotic about the religion. What's the message that Allah Almighty is sending us? And then when you are doing your Hajj and you're pelting the stones, how do you do it? It's in an ordered way. You begin with the Sughra, the minor one. Then Al-Wusta, the middle one. Then the Kubra, the major one. There's no deviation from that. Because the religion is ordered, organized, and goal-driven.